justtoday.com, and today I'm going to be showing you and expanding your minds on how to make Dodger Blue Margarita. Let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? To make blue margarita, here are the list of ingredients. 4 ounces of tequila of choice. I'm using silver tequila today. And remember, Jose Cuervo is my friend. And we got 1.5 ounces of blue cacao by Monet. And we got 1 ounce of triple sec and 2 ounces of lime juice. With those ingredients, we need a shaker. Now, I have a shaker here that I've gotten from when I went to the Arizona Diamondbacks back in those days. Anyways, we're going to be using this shaker today. And so, I'm going to go ahead and put in our ingredients. The 1.5 blue cacao, 4 ounces of tequila of choice, and we're going to have triple sec. Now, I'm going to be using 1 ounce of this triple sec. Into your shaker. And now the 2 ounces of lime juice into the shaker. And then simple syrup to taste. Now I'm going to go ahead and drizzle at least 1 ounce of simple syrup. If you're curious to see how I made the simple syrup, definitely check out the video in the corner of the screen, and or the link is in the description down below to make your own simple syrup at home, because it's literally simple to make. And now we're going to put on the lid and literally shake it up. Real quick, as I'm shaking the bottle, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could be an 8 or 2, and definitely share out this recipe because it's so easy, they could make it too. Now here are some ice, because I recommend to drink it with ice, and in a cup, because you know, in a nice cup, because you know, you special, right? So I've gotten this cup at Dodger Stadium. If you're curious to see that video, I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description down below, or in the iCard in the corner of the screen. And or I've made pina colada in this cup at home. If you're curious to see how to make Dodgers pina colada, definitely check out that video as well. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and insert the ice in my cup. And if you don't have a Dodgers cup, that's okay. But go ahead and pick the glass that you like, and or a nice cup, because you know, you're special. Plenty of ice, and now we're gonna pour. I like how blue it is. Do you see how blue that gets? Isn't that awesome? Smells great, y'all. Oh my goodness. Now this is a margarita over ice. Alright, my eaters, if you've gotten to this point of the video, I really appreciate you, because that means you're watching the whole entire video. My goodness, thank you so much, my eater. Definitely hit the like button because it helps out the channel, and definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you get notifications whenever we upload another video. But hey, did you know that this is a collaboration with some of my awesome YouTube foodie friends of mine? Definitely check out their videos, because they made a drink as well, because it's a collaboration with #DrinkTips. And my awesome foodie friends are Chef Adventures, Ryan's Barbecue and Stuff, Blake Hadrian, Jamie Mack, and Bite and Chew. So definitely check out their Instagrams as well as their YouTube, because they made an awesome drink as well. And so, isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Maybe I'll put some more ice in there. Definitely comment down below to let me know if you did that by hitting the red subscribe button and the bell, and that you're a proud subscriber. And at the same time, comment and let me know if you liked this video, or if you shared it out with a family and friend, because they might need it. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching, and here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video.
Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. Always expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video. And that's it. That's how you make blue Margarita pasta.